Where is Ayla? There you are. Come here. Yeah, let's wait for your Baba here. Come on. You want to read a book? Come on, let's go read a book together. While we wait for Mama. There's your book over there. There's a book. Which book would you like? Get a book and let's read it. How about the puppy's book? Oh, is that your puzzle? Is that your puzzle? Put the puzzles in place. Oh, are you going to redo it?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and redo the whole puzzle. Okay. Oh. Good job. Oh, it sounds like a rooster. What's next? What are you going to do next? Are you going to do the cow next? All right. Good job. There you go. Oh, now it's the pig. There you go. What's that? Kitty cat? You got it. That's it. Yeah. The sheep. It's okay. Fit it into place. What are you doing? Okay, can you wave to the camera? Let the horse in. Sheep. You did the puzzle. Good job. Ayla, you did a good job. Where's the duck? What's the duck say? Ayla, what's the duck say? What's he say? Quack. Okay, last piece. Don't give up. Finish it. It's night time. Hey, let's say night.
Night.
All right, night.